The Gram Sabha is rightly called the soul of our democracy, where people directly take part in decision making for the development of the village. As Mahatma Gandhi famously said, the future depends on what you do today. This Sabha is our chance to act.
Asongi namgalinan asimang plakan kujosan kam kana nanga. Through this model Sabha, we students will try to understand how democracy functions at the grassroots level.
Remember the words of former U.S. President Franklin D. Roosevelt, the structure of world peace cannot be work of a single man or a single party or a single nation. It must be a universally shared responsibility.
Similarly, the development of our village must be a shared responsibility, and this model Sabha shows how youth can contribute in shaping the future of our country. Now, I would like to request everyone to stand up for national anthem.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तब शुभ नामे जागे तब शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तब जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Respected members, today's Gram Sabha has been convened under the leadership of our Gram Pradhan. The agenda of the meeting includes education and youth employment, health sanitation and women empowerment, skill development and sports promotion and village development projects. I request to our servants to starting to
नमस्कार सभी को। मैं इस गांव का प्रधान होते हुए मैं सबको इंट्रोड्यूस करना चाहता हूँ। हमारे सभा के सभी मेंबर, हमारे प्रिंसिपल मैडम, यूथ मेंबर्स, पंचायत मेंबर्स, आशा दीदी और आंगनवाड़ी दीदी और हमारे सभी गाँववासियों और मेरे किसान भाई, स्वागत है आप सबका इस यूथ सभा में। Today's Sabha is important because we will discuss the challenge faced by our youth and the development of our village need. I requested all the members to share the view one by one. Let us begin. The voice of farmer. किसान है देश किसान, अन्नदाता है वो महान। उनकी उन्नति में ही छुपी है भारत की असली पहचान। Let us start with the education and enrollment. Ward member 1, please give me the report.
Gram Pradhanji, Namingama. Our primary issue is the student attendance and dropout rate. We need to strengthen the midday meal program to encourage the attendance. I request the SSD member to report on the status. Thank you.
Thank you. Now it's over to SST member 1.
Pradhanji, the attendance has been fluctuating. We need Gram Sabha support to ensure the qualities and timely delivery of meals. We also need to repair the kitchen garden. Thank you.
Okay, now it's over to our principal madam.
Good afternoon, respected Gram Sabha Mahishya, and including all present members. First of all, I want to say thank you for giving me this opportunity and also for inviting me in this beautiful program of Gram Sabha. Education is the foundation of development. I propose starting a village library with basic books and newspaper, and career counseling for students to prepare them for their future opportunities. Free coaching classes should also be organized for the board and competitive exams. विद्या ही वो धन है जो हर समस्या का हाल है. विद्या ही वो धन है जो हर समस्या का हाल है. ज्ञान की ज्योति से ही देश का उज्जवल कल है. Respected Gram Pradhan Mahishya, please allocate funds for this. Thank you.
Point noted. Now it's over to youth leader.
धन्यवाद ग्राम प्रधान जी, आपने मुझे बोलने का अवसर दिया. मैं अपनी तरफ से ये बताना चाहती हूँ कि गांव के युवाओं के प्रतिनिधि के रूप में स्किल डेवलपमेंट सेंटर की आवश्यकता पर जोर देना चाहती हूँ. यदि हमें कंप्यूटर, सिलाई या डिजिटल सेवाओं में ट्रेनिंग मिलते हैं और कमा भी सकते हैं. हम पंचायत से ये अनुरोध करते हैं कि हमारे कुशल युवाओं को बाजार से जोड़ने के लिए स्थानीय एग्जीबिशन का आयोजन किया जाए. ट्रेनिंग विल रिड्यूस अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट.
Okay, the point noted. Next, health and sanitation. Ward members, 2, please.
Thank you, Gram Pradhan ji, for giving me this chance to share my priority. Sanitation is lacking. We must discuss garbage disposal and clean drinking water. We propose originally a monthly health camp and addressing the critical needs for proper drainage system. Thank you.
अरे भाई, इस गांव की गंदगी के आगे तो मेरी सास की किटकिट भी अच्छी लगती थी. कम से कम उनकी बातों में एक सफाई तो थी. यहाँ तो नाली भी ऐसी जाम हो रखी है. क्या बताऊं, ऐसा लगता है जैसे किसी ने अपनी सारी पुरानी यादें इस नाली में बहा दी हो. हेल्थ कैंप बाद में लगाना, पहले पानी साफ करो, वरना सब बीमार होके कैंप में भी बैठे रह जाएंगे.
ठीक है बुआ जी. आशा दीदी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहेंगे?
धन्यवाद ग्राम प्रधान जी, मुझे बोलने का अवसर देने के लिए. जैसे कि आप सबको पता है, क्लीनलीनेस इज डायरेक्टली लिंक्ड विथ हेल्थ और हमें इस गांव में स्वच्छता अभियान कराने की भी जरूरत है. गार्बेज डिस्पोजल, क्लीन ड्रिंकिंग वाटर और अवेयरनेस अबाउट न्यूट्रिशन भी जरूरी है. आई ऑल्सो रिपोर्ट ऑन द नीड्स ऑफ वल्नरेबल ग्रुप्स और ग्राम सभा से रिक्वेस्ट करती हूँ कि उनके लिए ट्रेनिंग प्रोवाइड की जाए और युवाओं को इन एक्टिविटीज को लीड करना चाहिए. धन्यवाद.
ठीक है. Now it's over to महिला सभा member.
महिलाएं हैं राष्ट्र का आधार. उनकी सेवा में सबका प्यार. Women is better health and hygiene awareness. If the Gram Sabha arrange the health camps and sanitary facilities, it will benefit for all the women. We also request to suggest the kitchen garden to improve the nutrients.
अरे ग्राम प्रधान जी, बस इतना ध्यान रखना, ये बातें सिर्फ हवा में ही ना रह जाए.
ये खत्म नहीं होगी। स्वच्छता ही पहला धन है। स्वच्छता तब मिलेगी जब गांव में सफाई होगी।
ठीक है बुआ जी. Now it's over to data entry operator. I suggest a joint effort for a waste management and the tree plantation drives near the community areas. This will improve overall hygiene and the village look. Thank you. Okay, thank you. Now let us discuss about agriculture and environment. What are the farmers need?
In our village, youth are living farming because they see no future in it. We need irrigation support and awareness of crop diversification. If youth are trained, they will come back to agriculture with new energy. Thank you.
बिल्कुल सही कहा मेरे किसान बेटे ने। किसान खुश होता है जब गांव में खुशहाली आती है। खेती के लिए पानी और नए विचार यही पहले उद्देश्य होनी चाहिए, बाकी सब बाद में।
बुआ जी, आपकी बात याद रखेंगे, अभी और शिकायत करने का मौका नहीं देंगे. Now it's over to NGO worker.
As an NGO, we are here to support. We report delays in incentive payments and the need for public awareness about government schemes. We can help bridge the gap in scheme information. Thank you.
Thank you. Now let's look about sports and infrastructure. Ward member 4, please.
Thank you, Pradhanji. Sports facilities are very poor in our village. If we get a proper playground and equipment, our youth can shine and state and national level. Promoting sports and cultural activities is vital for physical health and development.
Thank you for the detail. Now next, over to Panchayat member 3.
Gram Pradhanji, we must ensure all government schemes like scholarship, ration card and pension scheme reach the needy people.
Okay. Now it's over to Panchayat member 1.
We must propose proper construction of proper roads and leading to the school and market.
Yes. Now it's over to Panchayat member 2.
A solar street light project started should be to save electricity and improve safety at night.
Yes, thank you. Now it's over to ward member 5.
धन्यवाद प्रधान जी. गांव में खेल कूद का माहौल लगभग खत्म हो चुका है ना? ना तो खेलने की ठीक जगह और ना जरूरी मन सम्मान है. मैं पंचायत
तो मैडम आपके पास क्या सजेशन है, क्या आप हमें बता सकते हैं?
मैं ये सजेशन देना चाहती हूँ कि पंचायत एक खेल युवा निधि बनाए और हमारे पुरानी मैदान को भी ठीक करवाए. इससे हमारी स्वास्थ्य और गांव की एकता दोनों बढ़ेगी. थैंक यू.
Dhanyavad. All the important suggestions have been recorded. Now we will consider those proposal and take the necessary action. Also proposed are very important. Now let's come to the most important point, budget and allocation. How many funds do we available for the schemes and the we have decided for education, health and agriculture. Now it's over to Panchayat member 1.
Gram Pradhan ji, we must first focus on infrastructure. A fixed amount must be immediately set aside for the roads and street light project.
Yes, I will note it. And next, NGO worker.
Our suggestion is that the amount allocated from government schemes should be immediately utilized for youth skill development and women's health awareness scheme. Otherwise, the funds might be returned.
Now next, over to Mahila Sabha member.
For women, girl education is paramount. Every girl drops out after their middle school, so we must ensure their higher education. The Panchayat would treat the education for girls as a top of priority.
लड़की पढ़ती है तो पूरे गांव का मान बढ़ता है। सिर्फ उच्च शिक्षा की बात मत करो, बल्कि ये तय करो कि कोई बेटी गरीबी के कारण पढ़ाई ना छोड़े। हमारी पंचायत को उसकी फीस और उसकी किताबों सब की बीड़ा उठानी चाहिए। और हाँ, पढ़ाई पूरे होते ही नौकरी के लिए तैयार करने के लिए कंप्यूटर या कोई हुनर जरूर सिखाए।
ठीक है बुआ जी. Alright, I will hold a review meeting with the Panchayat member and the NGO. We will prioritize the immediately release the funds for education, skill development, and sanitization as the directly linked to the village future. We had a very fruitful discussions. Thank you for all the members raising critical issues. Now the secretary will read the proceedings.
Thank you, Pradhanji. After today's discussion, the following resolutions have been passed. Number 1, organize monthly cleanliness drives in the village. Number 2, request for a skill development and computer training center. Number 3, promote sports and cultural activities by creating a playground. Number 4, arrange health camp and awareness sessions for women and youth. Number 5, establish a village library and career counseling program. Number 6, start road improvement and solar lighting projects. Thank you.
Dear member, today's Sabha has been faithful, and the youth are the backbone of our nation. If we educate, empower, and encourage them, our country will surely progress. I thank everyone for the active participation. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.